Hey vlog idols! So today, we will unbox Ugreen USB Type-C multifunction adapter. So it has one HDMI port, 3 USB Type-A ports, and USB-C power ports with PD protocol. We will try this to our Huawei MatePad Pro and to our laptop. We will try also to project this using our smart television and if it could charge our devices like our iPhone or our Huawei MatePad Pro. So again, it is a Ugreen USB Type-C, the unboxing. Welcome to Akosi Winston YouTube channel. Here we go! So this is the Ugreen USB multifunction adapter. So this is USB-C and it has different ports like the USB 3.0 USB ports. This one is a USB-C power port with PD protocol and of course the HDMI port. The standard HDMI port that we can use to project our presentation using our smart television or our projector. Actually, I ordered this Ugreen USB Type-C in Lazada. It's worth 1,099 pesos. So now we will try this in our Huawei MatePad Pro. So this is the USB hub 3.0. So that's a USB Type-C connected to our Huawei MatePad Pro and our flash drive connected to the one of USB hub 3.0. So as we can see in our notification, so you see the SanDisk USB drive, my flash drive. So all we have to do is to view it. So here you go. You can see all your files. Word. There. It's working with the Microsoft Word. viewable. It's working, right? Excel. There you go. Okay, now let us try if it works with laptop. So we insert it in the USB Type-C drive. USB Type-C hub rather. So we insert a flash drive in one of the USB 3.0 Type A port. And this is our USB drive. So it's same as with our Android device. It's viewable and it works. Okay. It's working, right? There you have it. I'd like to try also if it works with the PD protocol, USB Type-C hub, if it's charging at the same time. So here it's charging also. So our Android device is charging at the same time while we are putting flash drive in one of our USB Type A 3.0 hub, and the other one is for charging USB Type-C. It works with a flash drive and an external hard drive at the same time. Okay, so at this point we will try if it works with the standard HDMI, if we could project our Huawei MatePad Pro or our device to our smart TV using the standard HDMI connected to our Ugreen USB Type-C hub, or I mean the standard USB Type-C hub. So it works. Let's try. So if we have a presentation, if we watch YouTube, watching YouTube, there you go. Another Netflix. It works, right? How about Spotify? Okay, so it is capable in projecting our device to using our smart TV. So once again, this is a Ugreen USB Type-C multifunction adapter. So as you can see, it works with our Android device, it works with our laptop, and we can project our presentation using this Ugreen multifunction adapter to our smart television or even in a projector. So this is a Ugreen USB Type-C multi-function adapter. And for more videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and ring the bell for more videos. Once again, this is Acosi Winston YouTube channel, Vlog Idols. Bye-bye!